Known since the times of Mesopotamia, flaxseed comes from flax, or linen. Very functional, it brings many benefits for your heart and intestines and also helps prevent some types of cancer. Consumed in weight loss diets, flaxseed helps reduce the buildup of fat in your body thanks to its fiber, which acts on the release of glucose in blood. And the best part? It's gluten-free. Have you ever consumed flaxseed? Do you know the benefits it offers to your health? See 5 reasons to consume flaxseed. Prevents heart diseases. Thanks to the omega-3, flaxseed is great for fighting heart diseases. It helps lower the levels of total cholesterol and LDL, the bad cholesterol. It also helps with high blood pressure. Helps with weight loss. As I said before, because flaxseed is rich in fiber, consuming it will reduce the glucose in your bloodstream since it slows the digestion. It helps lower your insulin levels, responsible for making you crave breads, cakes, cookies, and sweet treats that cause weight gain. Since we are talking about insulin, shall we talk about control and prevention of diabetes? For the same reasons it helps you lose weight, flaxseed also helps with diabetes prevention. That's because when we have insulin resistance, our body may develop type 2 diabetes. Besides that, according to some studies, the alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a subtype of omega-3 present in flaxseed, seems to be able to reduce the chances of developing diabetes, although the reason is still unknown. Relieves PMS symptoms. Flaxseed is great for women since it prevents hot flashes and emotional weakness due to substances called lignans which replicate estrogen, the female hormone, during premenstrual or menopause periods. Flaxseed acts as a natural replacement of this hormone. Interesting, right? Try it and ask your partner if they felt any difference. Energy boost. According to experts, flaxseed offers a boost of energy and vitality. It accelerates metabolism, generating energy, and also helps with muscle recovery. Did you enjoy learning about these benefits? Give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. According to studies, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed per day is enough to get a good amount of its nutrients. Flaxseed can be consumed in 3 different ways. Flaxseed flour, which can be added to juices, salads, and fruits. Flaxseed grain, used in breads, pies, yogurts, and vitamins. Remember to chew it to really get the nutrients. Flaxseed oil, amazing for salads. Never use this oil on hot plates. Besides consuming flaxseed in these 3 ways, you can also use a flaxseed oil supplement to get all the benefits of this powerful grain. If you have consumed or consume flaxseed, share your thoughts with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.